Hey guys, I'm teacher Omar. Welcome to my classroom. In our last videos, we focused on practicing vocabulary and structures to describe people, particularly women. In this video and the upcoming video, we'll continue with the topic of describing people, but we'll focus more on vocabulary for men. Let's begin. He has a mustache. He has a short beard. We have glasses. They have beards. He has a hat. He has a long beard. He has a hat. He has glasses. He has a short beard and glasses. He has a hat and a long beard. He has glasses and a mustache. He has a beard, but he doesn't have glasses. He has glasses, but he doesn't have a beard. He has a long beard, but he doesn't have glasses. Let's practice with questions and short answers. Does he have a hat and glasses? Yes, he does. Does he have a short beard and glasses? No, he doesn't. Now let's practice with long sentences. We want to know who. Who is it? Is it Mike? Is it Larry? Is it John? Who has a hat and a beard? Right. John has a hat and a beard. Who has glasses and a beard? Right. Larry has glasses and a beard. Does he have a mustache and glasses? He has a mustache, but he doesn't have glasses. Great. We've practiced how to describe other people and answer these types of questions. Now we want you to answer the questions. I will give you the answer and you put the question together. Let's begin. Yes, he does. You ask the question. Does he have a beard and a hat? He has a beard, but he doesn't have glasses. Your turn. Ask the question. Does he have a beard and glasses? Let's practice with who questions. The answer. Lucas has a long beard. You ask the question. Who has a long beard? Gabriel has a beard and glasses. You ask the question. Who has a beard and glasses? That's all we've got for today. We hope you enjoyed it and picked up on a few new things. If you like this type of content, please share, like, and subscribe. This will help other people also interested in improving their English find this content. Don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts at Classes with Omar. Bye for now.